Let's be real. The first question everyone asks about Linux is, which distro should I choose? With hundreds out there, it's overwhelming. Some are flashy, some are bare bones, and every year, new contenders shake things up. There's a Linux distro for everyone. Beginners, developers, gamers, or anyone reviving an old laptop. But finding your perfect match, that's the real challenge. I put the 7 best Linux distros of 2026 through their paces so you don't have to. By the end, you'll know exactly which Linux distro fits your needs. Let's dive in. Let's start with the king, Ubuntu. When most people think of Linux, Ubuntu is the first name that comes to mind. It's the world's most popular Linux distro, and for good reason. Ubuntu has built a reputation for being incredibly user-friendly, approachable, and reliable, making it the go-to choice for millions of users around the globe, from complete beginners to seasoned pros. Whether you're setting up your first Linux machine or deploying servers in a data center, Ubuntu has you covered. Its widespread adoption means you'll find Ubuntu running everywhere, from personal laptops and desktops to powerful cloud servers and even Internet of Things devices. One of Ubuntu's biggest strengths is its massive community support. If you hit a snag, chances are someone's already solved it and shared the answer online. There are countless forums, guides, and tutorials, so you're never alone on your Linux journey. The installer is refreshingly simple. Just a few clicks, and you're done. No need to wrestle with complicated terminal commands or confusing options. Ubuntu's installation process is designed to be as smooth and painless as possible, even for first-timers. Ubuntu is rock-solid stable, backed by Canonical, a company dedicated to its development and support. This backing ensures regular updates, security patches, and a level of polish that's hard to beat. You'll find Ubuntu everywhere, from home computers to enterprise servers powering critical infrastructure. Its software store is packed with thousands of applications, making app installs a breeze. Whether you need productivity tools, creative software, or games, you'll find them just a few clicks away in the Ubuntu Software Center. The GNOME desktop environment is clean, modern, and fast. It's designed to help you stay productive, with a sleek interface that looks great and gets out of your way. Customization options let you tweak the look and feel to suit your style. Some advanced users say Ubuntu can feel a bit heavy and less customizable compared to other distros, and there's a touch more telemetry than purists like. But for most users, these are minor trade-offs for the convenience and stability Ubuntu offers. Still, for the vast majority of people, Ubuntu just works. It's dependable, intuitive, and gets out of your way so you can focus on what matters. Ubuntu's long-term support releases mean you can install it and forget about major upgrades for years. These LTS versions receive updates and security patches for up to 5 years, making them perfect for anyone who values stability and peace of mind. If you want a no-fuss, reliable system that lets you get straight to work or play, Ubuntu is a safe choice. It's designed to be hassle-free, so you can spend less time troubleshooting and more time doing what you love. It's a fantastic entry point for Linux, but it's also robust enough that you won't outgrow it quickly. Whether you're a student, a professional, or a hobbyist, Ubuntu has the tools and flexibility to grow with you. So, if you're new to Linux or just want something that works out of the box, start with Ubuntu. It's the king for a reason. Let's move on. If you love the Windows layout, you'll love Linux Mint. It's designed to feel instantly familiar, especially if you're coming from Windows. The desktop, the start menu, and even the way you launch your favorite apps, everything is right where you'd expect it to be. For anyone hesitant about switching to Linux, Mint makes the transition almost seamless. Mint is like that comfy old hoodie. It just feels right. Whether you're browsing the web, writing documents, or just relaxing with some music, Mint's interface is cozy and intuitive. It's the kind of operating system that doesn't get in your way, letting you focus on what matters most. The start menu, taskbar, and settings are all where you'd expect. No learning curve. You can customize the look and feel, but out of the box, it's ready to go. Even if you've never used Linux before, you'll find yourself at home in minutes. Mint is lightweight and perfect for reviving old laptops or desktops. If you have an aging computer gathering dust, Mint can breathe new life into it, making it run faster and smoother than you might expect. Even with just 4 GB of RAM, it runs smooth. You don't need the latest hardware to get a great experience. Mint is optimized for performance, so you can multitask, stream, and work without slowdowns. Under the hood, it's basically Ubuntu, so you get reliability and a huge app library. That means you have access to thousands of free applications, from productivity tools to creative software, all just a click away in the software manager. Updates are less intrusive and more stable. You're in control of when and how updates happen, so you won't be interrupted in the middle of your work. Security patches and new features arrive regularly, keeping your system safe and up to date. The Cinnamon desktop is Mint's main flavor, slick and fast. It's visually appealing with smooth animations and a modern look, but it's also highly customizable if you want to make it your own. For even lighter options, try XFCE or Mate editions. These are perfect for really old hardware, or if you just prefer a more minimal desktop environment. Mint comes with basics pre-installed, like codecs for music and video. That means you can play your favorite songs and movies right after installation. No extra downloads or setup required. Less setup, more fun right away. You'll find all the essential apps you need, from office suites to web browsers, ready to use from the start. The community is friendly, and documentation is excellent. If you ever get stuck, there's always help available, whether it's through forums, guides, or helpful users online. If you want a Windows-like experience or to revive an old PC, Mint is your best bet. It's a fantastic choice for beginners and experienced users alike. It's simple, fast, and just works. With Linux Mint, you get a familiar, reliable, and enjoyable computing experience, without the hassle. Next up, Fedora. Fedora. If you're a developer or want the latest features, Fedora is for you. It's cutting edge, with new software and a focus on open source tech. Fedora ships with the latest GNOME desktop and up-to-date repositories. Developers love Fedora for its fresh compilers, libraries, and dev tools. Security is a big focus with Linux and strong defaults. Container support is built in. Think Docker, Kubernetes, Podman. Fedora updates fast so you get new stuff quickly, but expect the occasional bug. Silver Blue, its immutable variant, is perfect for experimenting or rolling back changes. Not the lightest distro, but great for decent hardware. If you're into programming or containers, Fedora is built for you. Let's check out Arch. Now, for the experts, Arch Linux. This is the distribution that's become almost legendary among Linux enthusiasts, and for good reason. Arch is famously manual, no graphical installer, just you and the terminal. From the very first step, you're in control, making decisions about every aspect of your system. The installation process is a rite of passage. If you get through it, you'll know Linux inside out, because you'll have built your system from the ground up, learning how everything fits together. Arch is all about choice. You pick every component, from the desktop environment to the kernel modules, making it ultra lightweight and custom tailored to your needs. Want a minimal install for blazing speed, or a gaming rig loaded with the latest drivers? You build it, piece by piece, exactly how you want. Its rolling release model means you always have the latest software, security patches, and features. No waiting for annual or biannual updates. Updates come as soon as they're ready, so your system is always cutting edge. But that also means you need to stay on top of things. Sometimes updates can break stuff, and you'll need to fix it. The AUR, Arch User Repository, is a supercharged app store with thousands of community-maintained packages. If it exists for Linux, chances are you'll find it here, ready to install. The Arch Wiki is legendary for documentation. It's the go-to resource, not just for Arch users, but for the entire Linux community. If you want to learn Linux deeply, just read the wiki. It covers everything from basic setup to advanced troubleshooting, written by and for power users. But Arch isn't beginner-friendly. If you break something, you fix it. There's no hand-holding, and you'll need to troubleshoot your own problems. That's part of the learning experience. Every challenge is an opportunity to understand your system better and become a more capable user. If you love to tinker, crave full control, and want to push your skills, Arch is your playground. It's a system that rewards curiosity and experimentation. It's the ultimate DIY Linux experience, letting you shape your computer exactly how you envision it, from the inside out. Not for the faint of heart, but incredibly rewarding. The sense of accomplishment when your custom system boots up is unmatched. Ready for something easier? Let's talk Manjaro. Onward. Like Arch's power, but not the pain. Meet Manjaro. Manjaro brings Arch's flexibility with an easy installer and a beautiful desktop. Installation is a breeze, no manual partitioning or cryptic commands. The flagship XFCE desktop is lightweight and fast. Manjaro staggers updates for extra stability, so fewer surprises. Gaming is fantastic, with the latest drivers and kernels. The community is welcoming, and the forums are active. The built-in App Store makes installing software, including AUR packages, super easy. Perfect for intermediate users who want Arch's power without the steep learning curve. For gaming or a modern, powerful desktop, Manjaro is a top pick. Now for pure stability. Debian. Debian is the foundation for many distros, including Ubuntu, but it's even more stable and lightweight, perfect for servers, VPS setups, and long-term projects. It's not flashy, but it's incredibly reliable. Install it, set it, and forget it. Your server will keep humming for years. Debian's conservative updates mean fewer bugs, but you won't get the newest features. Resource usage is low, making it great for older hardware. Supports tons of architectures. From old 32-bit bestaan stature, Warding Dury, Wobury Tunigan 32-bit machines, to the latest ARM devices. The installer is old school, but it works. Huge selection of pre-packaged software in the repositories. The Debian community is legendary for their dedication. If you value reliability over bleeding-edge features, Debian is unbeatable. For home servers or systems that never let you down, Debian is a rock-solid choice. Now for something different, Kali Linux. Kali is built for penetration testing, ethical hacking, and cybersecurity research. It comes loaded with hundreds of security tools out of the box. If you see a hacker in a movie, this is probably what they're running. But Kali is not meant to be your daily driver. It's specialized and easy to break, if you're not careful. It defaults to running as root, which is powerful, but risky. The documentation is excellent, and the community is full of security pros. If you're learning, there are tons of resources and tutorials. Don't expect it to be as stable or user-friendly as Ubuntu or Mint. Kali is a tool, not a toy. Use it for legal purposes only. If you're serious about cybersecurity, it's a must-have in your toolkit. Otherwise, try it in a virtual machine or from a USB stick. Linux in 2026 is more powerful than ever. Gaming, productivity, and development all work great. There's never been a better time to ditch Windows and try something new. Whether you're a beginner, developer, gamer, or security enthusiast, there's a perfect Linux distro for you. Are you ready to leave Windows behind? Let me know in the comments which Linux distro you use and why. If you want a step-by-step Linux install guide, subscribe. Video coming soon. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.